That's our mega India Today impact in Pune fraud IAS case. UPSC has cancelled Pooja Khedkar's candidature and has barred her from permanently any further attempts to examination. This comes after Pooja failed to submit her explanation to the UPSC within the prescribed time, which was July 30th. UPSC has also noted that Pooja Khedkar changed her name and her parents' names multiple times to avail UPSC attempts, much exceeding the limit. It also found Pooja Khedkar guilty of violating the UPSC rules. Meanwhile, the fraud IAS, Pooja Khedkar, is absconding. She's gone incommunicado for the last 10 days. Pooja Khedkar, what we know has issue is she's in fact submitted several certificates that are false and fake, starting with her disability, where she claimed she had 7% disability on her left knee and went on to attempt the UPSC in the visually impaired category, and then went on to apply for the UPSC, claiming that she is from the OBC non-creamy layer, while she has crores of rupees of assets that she boasts of. On multiple layers, she's faltered, and more importantly, she's faked it. She's manipulated the entire system by faking certificates and hoodwinking the entire system. Piyush Mishra, who's joining us for more on that. Piyush, it's indeed an India Today impact that we can call this. Pooja Khedkar's expulsion and her being axed from her candidature itself to be cancelled. She's now not going to be allowed to attempt any more for the IAS examination, the UPSC examination. What kind of message does this really send out? It's an example set, certainly.
Well, certainly, Nabila, it is an unprecedented decision which has been taken by UPSC, where the candidature of Pooja Khedkar has now been cancelled by UPSC, and she has been permanently debarred by the organization. But we are also given to understand is that in the backdrop of this case, around 15,000 available data have been scrutinized by UPSC. Those are available from 2009 to 2023, which is of 15 years. So what we are also learning is that the UPSC has, found that Pooja Khedkar not only changed her name but also changed the name of her parents, and that was one of the reasons that primarily UPSC could not identify the misdeed of Pooja Khedkar. But now a big message has been sent out by UPSC by cancelling her candidature. As far as the certificates of Pooja Khedkar are concerned, what we are told is that the mandated authority is still verifying the certificates. Those were submitted by Pooja Khedkar. So far, there is no response coming in from Ms. Khedkar, and the sources are also telling us that she has now gone incommunicado.
Thanks very much, Piyush, for joining us on that. We see Pooja Khedkar has now gone missing. In fact, when I say missing, she's not been responding to any calls and no reaction from her. There is allegation that she could be absconding. Where is she? Well, it remains to be seen if authorities actually try to reach out to her. Will she face legal implications for actually trying to fake the system, for submitting fake certificates? What are the legal implications? India Today will follow